Hi, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG, and I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. So today I have a special guest with me,
John Lounks,
with Stalls, and he is going to demo the new 360 IQ Fusion Cap Press. I'm very excited about this press, and he's going to tell you all the features and every reason why you need to get one today. So if you know me, you know I love wearing hats, almost every day actually. So we're going to show how to make this hat with this patch right here, this leather patch, but then other patches and other heat transfer material. So John, you want to tell him about it?
Sure. The new 360 IQ hat press is a new product from Hotronix that has the dual silicone platen technology, allowing you to do patches, emblems, leather patches, and regular vinyl on the hat press. The press also allows you to load the hat and spin it all the way around in that 360 fashion, so you can do something on the back, you can do something on the sides, as well as the front as normal. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a leather patch and we're going to apply it to the front of this cap. And as I load it, I want to show you how I can spin it around in the unit. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull my sweatband back, load it on the platen. This gives me a solid, firm surface and allowing that silicone technology on the bottom to really adapt to the patch or the emblem that we're putting on. All right, I'm going to lock it down here on the bottom. I'm going to make sure my temperature and time are correct. So it is heated on the bottom here, which heat from the bottom allows it to get to that adhesive, and then the heat on the top. We are lower on the top on our heat, and that prevents scorching on the top and scorching on the bottom, so we don't get that band or heat press look like you would traditionally get on a hat press.
So John, you can set different temperatures?
You can. So again, we have 322 on the bottom and we have 281 on the top. We have a pressure meter here, and then we're going to up our actual time a little bit to about 45 seconds to put our leather patch on. I'm going to give it a little bit of a bend to make it sit on there and line it up pretty good. Now I'm going to apply this silicone pad that comes with the hat press over the top. This allows it to push down the negative spaces of a embroidered patch, or helps get the vinyl down. I'm going to close it up. All right, as we come to our end, we got an automatic release on the heat press. We're going to remove our pad, remove our hat, fix our headband, and look at our finished product. Again, I want you to notice no heat press mark on the hat at all. It gives a clean look. There's also, this is the 112, which is common among heat presses to get a fold or a crease in the hat, and we don't have that here. So a very good, clean leather patch look.
All right, well, thanks, John, so much for showing that to us. I'm really excited about this new press and all the opportunity and the ease that it brings to a lot of you. So we want to thank S&S for donating these hats for us to demo this press. If you have not, please subscribe to us on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook under GSG Vinyl Decorating. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.